Not all digital multimeters give accurate readings. Some can cost you time, money, and even safety. Please watch this video till the end because today I'm revealing the top 5 best digital multimeters in 2026, and by the end, you'll know exactly which one is the best for your money. Whether you're a beginner, electrician, or electronics enthusiast, this list is carefully researched to help you choose the right multimeter without confusion. I'll cover accuracy, features, usability, and the biggest advantages of each model. Let's start the countdown from number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. UNI-T UT89XD. The UNI-T UT89XD UT89XE series offers reliable AC/DC voltage, current, and resistance testing with a durable design. It's built for general-purpose electrical work and everyday diagnostics. Review highlights. This multimeter is a solid entry-level option for basic measurements. It's simple to use and dependable for daily tasks. Pros: reliable basic measurements, durable build quality, easy-to-use interface. Good for beginners. Number 4. UNI-T UT61E+. This UNI-T UT61 series features true RMS measurement, high accuracy, and support for voltage, current, resistance, and capacitance testing. It's designed for more advanced users. Review highlights. These models offer improved precision and professional-level performance, making them ideal for technical work. Pros: true RMS accuracy, wide measurement range, professional-grade performance, reliable brand reputation. Number 3. ANENG 683. The ANENG 683 is a smart multimeter with a touchscreen interface, 6000 count display, and rechargeable battery. It supports both AC and DC measurements. Review highlights. This multimeter stands out for its modern design and smart features. It's perfect for users who want convenience and portability. Pros: touchscreen smart interface, 6000 count display, rechargeable battery, compact and portable. Number 2. ZOYI ZT703s. The ZOYI ZT703s combines a digital multimeter with an oscilloscope, offering 50 MHz bandwidth and 280 ms/s sampling rate. It also supports waveform storage. Review highlights. This is a powerful all-in-one tool for advanced diagnostics. Ideal for engineers and professionals working with signal analysis. Pros: built-in oscilloscope, 50 MHz bandwidth, waveform storage support, advanced diagnostic capabilities. Number 1. UNI-T UT61. The UNI-T UT61 series professional models deliver high-precision measurements up to 1000 V, along with resistance, capacitance, and advanced testing features. They are built for serious electrical and electronic work. Review highlights. This multimeter stands out for accuracy, reliability, and professional-grade performance. It's widely trusted for precise measurements. Pros: high accuracy and precision, up to 1000 V measurement, advanced testing features, professional-grade build. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Now, as promised, let's talk about the best product overall. After comparing accuracy, features, performance, and overall reliability, the UNI-T UT61 series professional multimeter stands out as the best digital multimeter in 2026. It offers the best combination of precision, durability, and advanced functionality, making it the top choice for most users. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.